All right, everybody. So we've been working really hard on our writing assignments. And yesterday we went through and we edited our work to make sure everything was spelled correctly. We had capital letters where we needed them and making sure that we had punctuation where we needed it. So today what we're going to do is we are actually going to start publishing our piece. So really, you've done a lot of work. You've edited, the day before that, you went through and you added more to your story, you added more details, you added a lot of good stuff to your story, and hopefully your story tells a good story about something that has happened to you. So this should be exciting for you. I hope it is. We're ready to publish. And by publish, what we mean is we are ready to make it for other people to read. So in order to publish your draft, this is what you need to do. First step is to reread it. You've probably read it a few times, but let's reread it one time to make sure that it has everything that we want it to have. The next thing you want to do is make sure that you have made all of your corrections. So when an author publishes their book, they make sure there's no spelling mistakes. They make sure everything is exactly as they want it to be before they publish. The next step would be to add the title. So you might try a few different titles before you find one that you like, and that's perfectly fine. It's all about your choice and what you want your story to be titled. The very last thing you're going to do is change all of your text in your story to black. Throughout the week, you've used different colors to show what you've worked on and the edits you've made and the revisions you made. So we're going to change all of that back to black, and then we are ready to publish. So reread it, make your corrections, add a title, and change the text to all black. You should be very proud of all the hard work that you've done. So on your canvas, you're going to get to your document. I don't think you need to make a copy, but you're going to go to the document you've been using, make all those corrections, make sure you have everything you need, and then you're going to submit your final piece by doing a file upload. Good job, guys.